Hi guys.
Hi guys again.
Today we're gonna be showing you how to explode our volcano.
Yeah, like make it explode.
Yeah.
We have everything
Here. So Bodhi.
Put the dye into the vinegar.
Let it. And then when it sugar in.
Baking soda.
Yeah, it's big.
Do we wait until this melts?
That's got to melt, yeah.
Melt already.
Why do we need milk and orange juice?
That's for our next one.
Go away.
Oh. It's time to pour it.
No. We have to wait until it melts. This red thing melts.
Let's see.
Super.
Dahlia, will you go get something to stir it with?
Sure.
Thank you.
And I'll stir
Gotta
it.
make it melt.
Mom, can I stir it?
We'll take turns.
Guys, we said to use red because volcanoes always have red when they explode. Because they don't have blue or orange. They have red, so we choose red. We made this is soda power, milk, orange juice.
Hi guys, I'm back.
I don't
Vinegar.
even know why we need milk and orange juice.
Those are for our next experiment. Let Bodhi have a turn too, Dahlia. Don't splash it out. You'll lose your lava.
Ooh, that does stink.
Alright, let Dahlia have a turn again. Is it almost melted?
Still a little bit. It's almost melted. Guys, comment down below if you like this.
Yeah.
Don't just take it out. Can you take it out now? We just take it out?
We can just pour it in if it's not all the way melted.
Yeah, it's not
We'll see.
all the way melted.
I don't think it'll ruin the experiment. Alright, pour it together, guys.
I know.
Walk together on the same direction and say
Okay,
1, 2,
guys.
3 when you're ready.
1, 2,
1, 2, 3.
3.
Wow.
Whoa.
Guys, look at the explosion.
Whoa. Oh, you can see in there. No one even died. It's weird.
Explode. I like not exploding, Mama.
That was it.
You can see steam.
Is it steaming? Ooh. Steaming volcano.
Mommy, can we do the next?
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Yep.
Guys, we're going to do it again.
Hold on, we have to take the stuff